Hi, it's Paul, and today I'm an old man with a walk round the completed raised planting bed projects. So this is the one that was built on the sloping block work and is the one that has the tapered bottom sections. Over the next couple of weeks I will do a couple of videos on how I achieved the compound angle end cuts and the tapered lower sections to help people out. But as you can see, it's now fully planted out and beginning to flourish, and very happy with it. It's looking good. Moving on to the other raised planter, this is the one in the other garden, the one that was set into the ground, so no long complex cuts on this one. Again, it's now planted out and starting to look good, so very happy with it. If you have any questions on how it was built or how I did various things, please ask in the comments below. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Take a look around the rest of the channel and check out oldmanwith.com as well. Thanks for watching.